Trimigo TC06 installation and usage video. Check the accessories after unpacking. If any items are missing or damaged, please contact customer service promptly. 1. Installation of casters. Place the crib at an angle on the ground. Install the casters into the crib's upright tube. After installing the casters, stand the crib upright. Hold the short side of the crib with both hands and unfold it slightly. Press the column down completely. Press the brake down on the universal wheel. Lift up the universal wheel to release the brake. 2. Installation of the bunk bed. Remove the pipe fittings assembly. Pipe fittings with reduced or flat ends are grouped together. Insert the plastic connector into the pipe fitting. The pop-out latch indicates that the device is properly installed. Continue installing the remaining pipe fittings. Insert the flat end of the pipe fitting into the narrow end of the pipe fitting. After the pipe fittings are assembled, take out the mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the crib. The bunk bed is now installed. 3. Shelf installation. Take out the shelf. 2 plastic hooks on the shelf, stuck on the short armrest of the crib. The shelving unit is installed. 4. Installation of diaper changing table. Remove the diaper changing table. Flip the changing table over to the back. Splice the 2 short tubes together inside the fabric cover. The interface pop-up indicates that the installation is complete. Splicing the other end of the pipe fitting. Turn the changing table over so that it is facing out. Plastic hooks on both sides. Hang on the long armrest of the crib respectively. Lock the side zipper to the bed frame zipper. The buckles on both sides of the changing table, stuck on the long handrail. The diaper changing table installation is complete. 5. Installation of the toy rack. Remove toy shelf components. Take out the bottom support. Insert the middle support into the bottom interface. Then insert the upper support into the middle interface. Hang the music bell into the end of the upper support. Finally, hang the tripod under the music bell. Fasten the long side of the bottom into the armrest. Tighten the spring. Play music and rotate dolls. Slide down to pause music. Slide up to play music. 6. Bedside bed function. Press the buttons at the same time to shift down. The height of this crib guardrail is adjustable in 3 levels. Press and hold the adjustment button. Use force to lift up to the original position. Take out the fixing strap. Insert the end of the strap into the buckle. Connect with the buckles on the leg tubes. Also install another strap. Finally, wrap the fixing strap around the adult bed frame. Bedside bed function completed. 7. Game bed function. Peel off the Velcro on the left side. Open the zipper around the bed. Take out the cloth cover. Lay the mattress flat on the bottom of the bed. Open the side bed rails. Securely install the mattress magic buckle to the bottom of the bed. Baby crib introduction completed. Thanks for watching.